is like a roller coaster, exciting, unpredictable, and always full of surprises. Hi and welcome to Crypto Pulse, where we provide you daily updates on crypto market trends for strategic investments and calculated gains. Well, as I said, today's crypto analysis is packed with key insights, major gains, and sharp declines, with a mix of gains, losses, and consolidation, keeping both investors and traders on their toes. From Bitcoin's steady march towards $100K to altcoins showing sharp declines, we have got all the crucial stats and trends you need to stay ahead in this volatile market. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive into the numbers. Bitcoin, the leader of the pack, is trading at $99,519.68, showing a slight 24-hour increase of 0.09%. Its trading volume stands strong at $53.22 billion, with a dominant market cap of $1.96 trillion. The chart shows a narrow consolidation range with support near $97,500 and resistance around $101,500. Buyers are active above $98,000, but profit booking kicks in near the $100,000 mark. Let's move on to Ethereum, which is steady at $3,942.85 with a minor recovery of 0.05% in the past 24 hours. With a range cap of $473.6 billion and a trading volume of $24.43 billion, ETH is maintaining stability. Well, resistance is near $4,050, while traders watch the $3,850 support zone for breakout potential. Let's talk about XRP. It is trading at $2.4784, down 0.31% in the last 24 hours. Its trading volume reached $11.17 billion with a market cap of $141.63 billion. Recent volatility saw prices fluctuate between $2.38 and $2.64, with strong support at $2.38 and resistance at $2.60. Now let's look at some other major coins. Talking about altcoins, Solana dropped 2.91%, now at $232.07, market cap $110.47 billion. Binance Coin is down 3.81% to $722.66. Dogecoin, the sharpest drop, plunging 4.94% to $0.4525. AVAX or Avalanche, a rare gainer, up 0.19% at $51.82. Now let's look at the top performers and losers for the day. Biggest gainers include Chainlink, up 7.55% to $26.79. DYDX rose 3.15% to $2.44. Mantle gained 3.10% to $1.19. Biggest losers include Peanut the Squirrel, down 10.89% to $1.36. Virtuals Protocol fell 7.37% to $1.58. So that was the crypto analysis for the day. For more crypto updates, subscribe to our channel Analytics Insight, your go-to digital companion for all the things crypto.